The IFS function checks whether one or more conditions are met, and returns a value that corresponds to the first true condition. Let's see how it works. Select a cell. Type equal, ifs. Specify the first condition. Type comma. Specify the value a, when the first condition is true. Type comma. Specify the second condition. Type comma. Specify the value b, when the second condition is true. Type comma. Specify the third condition. Type comma. Specify the value c, when the third condition is true. Type true. Specify the default value f. If none of the other conditions are met, this value will be returned. Hit enter. Since the value in cell B5 is 95, the first condition is true, so function will return a. Use fill to copy the formula. It will perform the same check for each row.